Production. The key to progress into the future with reliable steps, producing with high standards and in a constantly developing structure, and adding value to our country. Safely lighting up the path to tomorrow. HEKiM Holding, one of the shining stars of our country, an organization leading its sector in all its fields of specialization and meeting its targets step by step through planned and consistent management. A story of success rising over the foundations laid in 1989, making a name for itself globally today with over 1,000 employees, transforming the power arising out of the company itself, its corporation, and its trademark into production using high technology. HEKiM Holding has achieved a high production capacity, starting with the commencement of production at Prefabrik Yopa AŞ in 1989, followed by the foundation of the companies Özge Yopa AŞ, Hebo Yopa AŞ, HEKiM Süt AŞ, HEKiM Yopa AŞ, Piroziz Dış Ticaret, HEKiM Boya ve Plastik, each of which has a high professional and brand value and has an important place in its own respective sector. At present, HEKiM Madencilik, HEKiM Board, HEKiM Panel, HEKiM Por, HEKiM Plast, HEKiM Pan, HEKiM Profil, and Stilen Enterprises have also been added to this strong structure, and the mark of HEKiM Holding has become indelible with brands such as Preform, Lifecase, and Hebo City. Prefabrik Yopa AŞ, named after its respective sector, has accumulated unlimited experiences and references with its related enterprises and the brands since 1989, has marked many innovations, and has become the symbol name for the entire market. Reinforcing its know-how accumulated for over a quarter century, with its sustainable business model, Prefabrik Yopa AŞ produces prefabricated structures, industrial structures, and prefabricated container houses by high-quality standards. It engages in superior activities regarding living spaces with its innovative philosophy and human-oriented approach, and its investments in sales, marketing, production, R&D, and PD. Stilen, one of the enterprises of Prefabrik Yopa AŞ, is the leader firm of the prefabricated structures sector that started business in 2014, brings together many aesthetic and technological solutions in luxury villas, multi-story buildings, or in eco-friendly housing units, briefly in many alternative structures. Light steel structures produced using high technology constitute the specialty of Stilen. HEKiM Profil, another Prefabrik Yopa AŞ enterprise that started business in 2014, produces high-quality light steel structure profiles for multi-story light steel structures, industrial plants, and special projects of a wide space and span with many integrated plants and its innovative power in the prefabricated structures sector. Being also the owner of brands such as Preform and Lifecase, Prefabrik Yopa AŞ continues to meet the demands of the sector in all aspects. Through Preform, it produces prefabricated structures for specific functions, and through Lifecase, prefabricated container houses and cabin systems. It creates professional living spaces offering the advantages of maximum mobilization, aesthetics, functionality, and armored security. Prefabrik Yopa AŞ continues to offer services internationally with its high-technology manufacture, efficient after-sales services, and customer-oriented approach. Özge Yopa AŞ, a HEKiM Holding company, assessed the prefabricated building sector in 1992 with its alternative identity and new face, introducing different colors into the market. Özge Yopa AŞ produces prefabricated structures, prefabricated housing, and steel housing, and has attained the leading position in its sector through projects inside the country and abroad. being the symbol of change, development, and innovation in the prefabricated structures sector. HEKiM has been involved in remarkable projects abroad, in addition to its achievements in Turkey, and has proven its brand value worldwide. It adds value to life through boutique prefabricated building projects, produced using weldless construction technology and HEKiM board fiber cement cladding materials, and its superior understanding of aesthetics. HEKiM is a leading organization with important economic values in its own sector, with the manufacture it performs at its integrated production plants. It has become the leading firm of the sector with its increasing sales graphic since the first day of its foundation in 1996, its high export figures, and its line of manufacturer that makes a difference. HEKiM manufactures industrial products as demanded and with the quality as needed by natural and legal persons. HEKiM City branded city furniture and modular cabin systems in parallel with its specialty in the fields of R&D and PD. It can offer the products manufactured according to urban needs, combined with the environmental raw materials and design elements of the present day, and without any compromise from aesthetics. In addition to meeting our age's expectation for functionality, these special features offer extra advantages such as rust-proofness, non-flammability, or very efficient heat and sound insulation. HEKiM Süt AG, a HEKiM holding company, started business in 1999 and has become an important value with respect to the production of milk and dairy products, as well as the employment in the Black Sea region, especially in Giresun. It will continue to grow in the future as well and will make influential moves in its own sector, with its product range and its modern plant infrastructure assuring the consumers. HEKiM AG is a HEKiM holding company established in 2001 and the first manufacturer of autoclaved fiber cement boards in our country and in the region. Starting production in 2004, HEKiM AG has taken an important position with its investment power and experienced and qualified staff. HEKiM AG has broken ground as a first company of the construction sector by introducing fiber cement technology in our country. HEKiM continues to take the correct and reliable steps as a sustainability-oriented brand with its strong infrastructure, experienced staff in all fields of its business, its first and unique achievements introduced to the sector, its philosophy targeted technological investments, and the future. HEKiM board, first autoclaved fiber cement boards in our country in 2004, are manufactured by HEKiM for interior and exterior cladding. HEKiM Panel, a HEKiM enterprise, started production in 2011, and it offers solutions to the construction sector, meeting its expectations in the field of insulated sandwich wall panels and facade panels with its diverse range of products. The ability to supply high-quality, innovative products to the sector's economy under reasonable conditions has brought HEKiM Panel to a solution offering position. Believing that it is necessary to be very careful about saving energy and the environmental pollution, HEKiM AG introduced HEKiM Por Enterprise to the heat insulation sector in 2010 and has created a modern facility for the production of EPS heat insulation sheets in its new factory. HEKiM Plast, a HEKiM enterprise, manufactures the material called polyethylene terephthalate at PET roll form line. HEKiM Plast products manufactured using the raw material consisting of broken PET pieces or PET granules, has been used in many different areas of the industry since 2011. Prefabricated insulated walls of the prefabricated buildings have been manufactured at HEKiM HOLDiNG plants under the HEKiM Pan brand since 2014. These pressed panels manufactured by HEKiM Pan Enterprise offer great ease for the manufacturers of prefabricated structures. A HEKiM HOLDiNG enterprise started business in 2004 at Hendek Sakarya in order to provide silica, the raw material used in manufacturing fiber cement board. Capable of an annual production of 150,000 tons, with its qualified staff, HEKiM HOLDiNG is an organization ensuring a permanently powerful enterprise with its strong infrastructure for extracting and processing silica. Pirozis Düz Ticaret, a HEKiM Holding company, is a leading organization that offers high-quality products and services, exceeding the customer's expectations since 2008, and that has secured its own place in the international arena with its high technology and engineering solutions. HEKiM Boyevi Plastik started business in 2001 with the mission to be self-adequate through its own products and to cease foreign dependency in the paint and plastic profile industries, and then reached a manufacturing capacity enough to meet the needs of HEKiM Holding's prefabricated structure firms for paint and PVC doors and windows. HEKiM Holding is at a globally respectable position today with 8 companies, 8 enterprises, a production area of 170,000 square meters, a promotional area of 17,000 square meters for prefabricated structures, over 1,000 employees, export to approximately 90 countries on 6 continents, over 100 dealers nationwide and abroad, and over 42,000 references. What makes HEKiM Holding different and valuable is that its investments and productions are completely based on its own equity, without any foreign capital involvement in its strong corporate structure and brand value. HEKiM Holding will remain one of the names representing the power of national capital, with its awareness of its responsibilities and its understanding of management, aiming to make the development permanent. It will continue to build a future together with all its employees and stakeholders, and will always consider it a duty to create value. On the path to the future, the power arising out of solidarity with the HEKiM Holding brand. With infinite gratefulness to all the employees and stakeholders of HEKiM Holding who have contributed to holding its present position. HEKiM Holding.